Welcome back, Sophistic Mystic channel. Today on again pocket talismans because people like it. Today for prosperity. So basically, I work with two books. One, for those who don't know, one is The Great Secret by Imam Shadili, the founder of the Shadili Tariqa, which is mainly an ode to the great verse Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil, and with the Shamsul Marif by Sheikh al-Buni, which is more an ode to Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I should make another video on this. So let's get to the point. No much talking. You are very busy, me too. So let's do it. Yeah, there are similarities. What I wanted to say basically, there are similarities in those books. You can see it. For example, there is a program which I see similar. We'll look it up so then I can tell you better after the cut. In the Great Secret, for example, you put the name of dhul, jalali wal ikram, the divine name, in a square. I will show it to you, and then you write it on the lead. It's a metal, a piece of lead, and you put it in your fishing box if you go fishing. And you're fishing whatever, and your catch may increase, God willing, inshallah. And in the Shams al-Marif it's basically the same. I don't remember, it was the same material. It was the lead, it was the fishing basket, and what is written on it I forgot, but I will look it up. It's, I think, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Yeah. So you can combine those. My specialty, connect the points. Maybe double the effect, whatever. And then there is another from the Shams al-Marif. It is like 21 times the ba. Once again, you can, if you want, look for the auspicious hours, wait for them, and then write it. I have to do the video for this one. It's an important topic, but for like beginners, I think it's not necessary just to try, because maybe you will have a headache from this and you will be not motivated to do this, then you will forget. Yeah, so just sometimes it's good to just do it. Even you do it once or twice, then maybe it's less work than waiting for the or understanding this topic. So, yeah, and of course, because you are thinking how it's possible, the basket, the fish, I'm not a fisher. What he's talking about, the fish here. But once again, connect the dots, connect the points. And on the basic level, this fishing is about sustenance, no? What you do with the fish, you want to look at them? No, basically you will eat it, or if you have more, you will sell them. So like this, you can connect it, or apply it in other fields, or in similar fields, let's say, but seemingly other. So you can make a little one and put it into your suitcase where you have the money. Or what I did back then, I had a shop and I put it in the cashier where the money is stored. So when someone, I don't know in English, you put it there, for example, and I had a good experience, alhamdulillah. It will not make you a millionaire, but at least a little bit going up. And especially for the bear one, the 21 bars, from the Shams al-Marif, he explicitly says put it in your pocket where you have also where you store your money. The others are for fishing, but you can combine them. You can put the three. It will be a triple talisman again into one lead maybe. Lead is a metal. I said this. Yeah, I don't know if I say it right. It's the heaviest metal of all metals. It has to weigh 3 mithqals. It's approximately 10 to 12 grams. Yeah, maybe either less, even less. Yeah. Forgot something. Ah, yeah. You can even use it for example, if you go for foraging something, berries or mushrooms in the forest, you put it maybe in your bag, and then you can try. Maybe you find more. So, to show you those things, see you on the next side of the video. Of the cut. So, we continue. This was the throne first from the last video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And just with an awliya. We make this square for dhul jalali wal ikram. Yeah, dhul jalali wal ikram. It means like the possessor of, it's a divine name, possessor of majesty and bounty or honor. Dhul jalali ikram. Again. Don't forget the point. Well, ikram. So this is it. Yeah, it's a great thing. Also, this one can be used in other ways. I think it's a great name and square. And for those who don't know, you can write next to it or around it 20. This is the ba, the Arabic ba, 21 times. Just if you have maybe this big, you write it here, ba, 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 ba. Yeah. And maybe, oh yeah, now I will look up the numerical square for this. It can be better. And the Abjad value. So again, you have to load it. Don't forget to load it. You will need the Abjad value of dhul jalali wal ikram, and you will read it on it, and it will be loaded. No? So, another cut. So here we are back. I just made the calculation. Here's the square for the numbers, and it adds up to 1100, which is the number of dhul jalali wal ikram. So if you want to properly charge it, you would say 1100 times dhul jalali wal ikram upon this. Maybe also you can put this on the back of this. Sometimes they do it like they put on the front of one side the letters, the name, and on the back to multiply the effect of it with a numerological square. Yeah, and now I also find from the Shams al-Ma'arif the thing what I was saying. So you inscribe 3 times Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I would write it in Arabic. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 3 times. Maybe you can put everything on this. It's my inspiration. To have a great effect. And what I was saying, this is for the fishing again, no? So this is special for prosperity. The others, they are for fishing. So I put it in inverted commas because maybe it's a way to hide now the real power of it. Like from the books, they are hiding a lot. So to decode it, you have to understand how they are thinking, writing, and so on. Yeah, I think this is for today. Yeah. So I hope this was great. Now you have a lot to the videos. Some pocket talismans. Yeah, as I said in the first video, make it small. So in such a thing, it should fit many things. You can fit 50 or more talismans. Yeah. As I showed you, this is one, for example, in the last video. Make them small so you don't have to wear so much. If you have any comments, like what I can improve, maybe for some people it's more interesting to really, because now I had a cut and I didn't show how to calculate it. I just don't want to make the video too long because we are very busy nowadays. And yeah, but I can also calculate it in front of your eyes. Doesn't matter. I've got also another inspiration for this one, to make the numbers, arrange them differently. But maybe next video is coming. So great that you watched. Subscribe, like, all this stuff, what they are always saying. Of course, you can also order them. Like the big ones, they are maybe more expensive, but the small ones I can do for you more cheap, no? It's always about the question of work, no? See you next time. Sufi Mystic channel. Thanks for watching.